I'm Robb Zipp, and you're watching The Robb Zipp Show. Got my friend Jessica still with me here in New Orleans, and we're going to go on a haunted cemetery bus tour. So join us, and let's have the most spooky adventures. Here we are at the old Jack's Brewery building, waiting by the red door. This is where they told us the pickup is, right in front of the Landry's on Decatur Avenue, or Decatur Street. We've got Jackson Square right there. We've got Cafe Du Monde just on the other side of these trees. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not going to sit here and record everything the tour guide says. I'm going to lay back and keep it cool. I don't know exactly what we're going to do, but we are going to go to a couple of cemeteries.
In the dark.
In the dark. This camera, this iPhone that I use, actually picks up the dark really well. So I don't use any external lights, any external microphones. It's just me and the iPhone. I got a pop socket to help me hold the phone. That's the only extra thing that I have. But I'm excited. All these people over here are excited. So I don't know what it's going to be like, but we'll let you know at the end if we enjoyed it and what we thought about it. And I'll try to get whatever I can for you. Thanks again for joining me. If you could be so kind to leave some comments and hit that like button. I see the likes, YouTube sees the likes. That's it. But I'll know. So I really appreciate it. All right, but with that being said, let's go on the tour. We got our stickers. We are official. And yes, I am wearing a Haunted Mansion shirt, an appropriate shirt for an appropriate event. That's David, our tour guide.
Come on, guys, press the line up over there in that house beside.
They just scoop them to the back. They put it in the 10-foot pole.
A change in genre. What this is about.
So how would they put the body in here if this was a... Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to stay here forever. So these are not, air-conditioned vents. These are tomb vents for the dead body gases to escape from the back of the tombs. Conveniently located right across the street from the cemetery. This is our next stop. That's where we just were. Very interesting place.
The Charity Hospital Cemetery, which is actually right on either. Come on down. Truck engine's loud, but I'm louder.
All right, so yeah, I kind of had a feeling I wasn't going to be able to show you too much. It was mostly storytelling, and he did. Our guide David had some great stories, and he did tell them in a great way, right?
Yeah, you just deliver.
One was a really personal one. I could tell either he was a great actor or it was really true and it really hit him. So, this town has a lot of sad history. So that's why they consider it like the most haunted place around, and it's got a long history. But the only way you can see the Oddfellows rest is by going on this tour, and that was really cool.
It was.
That was cool. I'm glad we got to go in there. One of the things they say in those tombs, they're ovens, and after about a year, they just scrape them to the back if they need to put somebody else in there. So that's what they say. They want to touch you with a 10-foot pole. But yeah, this was a short one, but yeah, I would recommend it, right? Would you recommend it?
I have fun.
Yeah. So, yeah. I don't know what we're going to do next, but we're still in New Orleans, and we're not going to eat at Landry's, that's for sure. Do not eat at Landry's. But until next time, adieu.